Today we will study inventory management, which is a very important aspect of sourcing.
Sir, we are all keen to study this important topic.
All of us deal with inventory in our everyday lives. Here are some examples. Consider an example from home. How many of you have a supply of food stored in the refrigerator or pantry? What else could we call that supply? In a sense, we have chosen to stock a certain amount of inventory to match our demand or consumption and to reduce the number of trips to the store or supplier. The fuel in a fuel tank in our car is another common type of inventory. The tank allows us to travel for an extended distance and time without having to constantly stop for fuel. We get more efficient use, availability out of our car when we don't spend an inordinate amount of time on refueling. Similarly, a farmer stores hay to feed his animals. Bank stores cash for its day-to-day transactions. Similarly, a car company also keeps stock of its cars in the yard. Whenever an individual or an organization has material that he does not use immediately but puts it in stock is called inventory.
Definition of inventory is a physical resource that a firm holds in stock with intent of selling it or transforming it into a more valuable state. Inventory could be a list of the goods, parts or materials in stock and available for use to perform the manufacturing process. Inventory is an idle stock of physical goods that contains economic value and is held in various forms by an organization and its custody awaiting processing, transformation, packing, use or sale in a future point of time. In simple words, inventory means stock of items to meet the future demand.
Now, let us also understand stock and inventory. Stock. Stock consists of all goods and materials that are stored by an organization. It is a store of items that is kept for future use. Inventory. An inventory is a list of items held in the stock. In recent years, it has become more common to use inventory for both the list of items and the stock itself, and the two terms are interchangeable.
From the above definition, the following points stand out with reference to inventory. All organizations engaged in production or sale of products hold inventory in one form or another. Inventory can be in complete state or incomplete state. Inventory is held to facilitate future consumption, sale, or further processing or value addition. All inventoried resources have economic value and can be considered as assets of the organization.